Hello. Hey, everyone. Good morning. In the today's session, we are going to see how exactly we can deal with the sliders. So here is the slider. If there is a slider, how exactly we can change the values on a slider, we are going to study as part of the today's lecture, precisely on an XUI test. So here I'm creating a function, test example 58 throws. Okay. And now app dot launch. Okay, app dot the static text again. We need to click on that static text, which is sliders, right? Sliders dot tab. So I just performed on it, and later let's add a sleep for few seconds. Now let's debug it and let us see the locators on that particular thing. Okay, I just performed the debug operation, and now it navigated to the sliders and took a pass. So here PO XCUI application, let us print it. And if I see right now, there are other elements are there, and there is a slider too. So slider, I can see the last option, slider 50%. This is the one. So this has a sliders. So what I'm gonna do right now means XCUI of sliders. Whatever the sliders are there, just print it down. So it's showing that there are 4 sliders are there in this particular screen. So 4 sliders. The first slider has a 42% of value. The second slider has a 50%. The third is having an 84%. So this dot it's talking about. So now I need to write down a program that can handle this particular slider. See, basically this slider is just having a value attribute. So I can try in this way. So slider, which is having a value of a 42 percentage, and I want to adjust the slider position. See here, the slider, normalized slider position. And for this slider position, we need to pass it as 0 0.8, 0 0.9, like that. Just that percentages you need to pass. So I just passed it as a 0 0.9. See, the first one was updated to 0 0.9. So it means I was able to identify the slider by using its value property. Copy this logic, come back to the program, app.slider. That's fine. The second slider is having a 50 percentage. I just want to change it. So here, PO dot XCUI, sorry, PO space, right? XCUI application dot sliders, where in which I just want to go with an element with its index 1. See, I can use a value attribute and I can go with it, but I'm not using a value attribute. I just want to go with an element. And again, I just need to adjust its position to 0 0.9 again. If you see right now, the second one was changed to 9%, 90th percentage. Copy this logic and place here. So in order to handle the sliders, you can use the value attribute, or you can use an element bound by its index. Either of these things will work. So here, what I'm doing right now means, let me copy these lines, 2 lines, and let me place it here. And let us see the third slider value attribute. It has an 84 percentage. So here, which has an 84 percentage, and the index is a 3. The 3 means the fourth object. Okay, perfect. It means I was using 2 with an value attribute, and I was using 2 with an element with its index as well. Now let me run the program and let us see whether the sliders, all the values are being updated to the 90th percentage or not. Let us see. The first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one all got updated. So this is the way how exactly you can handle these sliders. Okay, perfect. Done the deal, guys. See you again in the next session with the next topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.